1996 Australian Touring Car Championship. The 1996 Australian Touring Car Championship was a CAMS-sanctioned motor racing title for drivers of 5.0-litre touring cars complying with Australian Group. The championship, which was the 37th Australian Touring Car Championship, was promoted as the Shell Australian Touring Car Championship. It was contested over 10 rounds between January 1996 and June 1996. The championship was contested earlier in the year than usual as much of Telecaster Channel 7's broadcast equipment was required for its 1996 Summer Olympics coverage. 1996 was the last year in which Channel 7 would broadcast the championship until 2007, with Network 10 taking over the broadcast rights from the 1997 season onwards. The championship was won by Craig Lowndes driving a Holden VR Commodore entered by the Holden Racing Team. Television coverage. Preseason. At the end of 1995, a tight sponsorship market resulted in both Gibson Motorsport and Glen Setton Racing scaling back to one car. Philip Morris sought to circumnavigate this by sponsoring Alan Jones Racing under a generic name. Teams and drivers. Movements. Alan Jones moved from Glen Setton Racing, forming Alan Jones Racing in partnership with Jim and Ross Stone. Paul Romano joined Alan Jones Racing from Romano Racing. Greg Crick replaced David Attard at Alcare Racing. Arrivals/returnees. Gary Rogers Motorsport joined the series, with Stephen Richards driving an ex-Gibson Motorsport VR Commodore. John Faulkner Racing joined the series with John Faulkner driving an ex-Holden Racing Team VR Commodore. John Sidney Racing joined the series with Max Dumpsney driving an ex-Glen Setton Racing EF Falcon. Longhurst Racing expanded to 2 cars with a customer EF Falcon for Steve Ellery. Craig Lowndes replaced Thomas Mezzera at the Holden Racing Team. M3 Motorsport returned to the series for the first time since 1993, with John Cotter and Peter Dowman sharing the driving of an ex-Perkins Engineering VP Commodore. Perkins Engineering expanded to 2 cars with Russell Ingall joining the series. Departures, with Gibson Motorsport scaling back to 1 car. 1995 Privateers champion David Attard did not defend his crown. The following teams and drivers competed in the 1996 Australian Touring Car Championship. Race calendar. The championship was contested over a 10-round series with 3 races per round. Points system. Championship points were awarded on a 20 minutes, 16 minutes, 14 minutes, 12 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 basis to the top 10 finishers in each race. Results.